What's going on? Just wanted to make a short video and let y'all know Cashpirate why join, because it's a nice app. Um, I want to say this app is a free money, no money out your pocket app that's that's pretty powerful. That can turn into passive income. I'll explain that a little bit to make you understand. It's only up to you if you put the work in. So if you join and you don't, promote this app to other people, then the passive income won't come. It's just that simple. But if you need help, I can help you. So these, a lot of people I referred, you know, and I think this is global, so anybody can join around the world. I want to say, um, one thing I want to let you guys know is what I do is I mainly keep hitting overview and normally around where it say earn coins, where it say show all offers. Normally be a app I can download. I mainly download apps and get my points like that. And then also I'll go to earn coins, and then this is what I always do. Every time I'm in this and then I'll go here and it'll have watch and earn, but they don't have it right now. That's mainly the two things I do, how I got my points along with my referrals. What I love about it is once you start getting referrals, and if your referrals in it consistent, or just every week, or just mainly always using this app just to make it easy, you're gonna make residual. So let's say if you got 100 referrals and they consistently every week, you're gonna be getting residual income. You're gonna be getting passive income because this program been around for a minute, and I feel like it's gonna be around a little bit longer. It's been around for more than like 5 years. Yep, I said it, for more than 5 years. And if I'm wrong, correct me. But I know for sure it's been around more than 4 years, 3 years, 3 or 4 years. But it's definitely been around 5 years or more. Um, see, that's what I pretty much do. You see, I will download it. I'm not gonna show you right now. I ain't gonna, I'll do it after. But that's pretty much what I do. I download it, and exactly what it say: download and run this free app now and earn 25 coins, and that's it. Just keep building up. That's literally what I do. And then, like I said, I go here too, see if the watch and earn. It's not there. I don't even scroll down. I just go there. Um, I want to show you the referrals, guys, and show you, how many times I cashed out. Cashed out. So I did my thing, you know. But yeah, the referral side, man, I refer, quite a few people, man. I brung in 11, and that's 10%, and then they brung in 8 people. So you get 10%, you know what I'm saying, for your first level, and 5% for your second level, which is not bad. And to redeem, let's go here, because that's the money part. You guys can do whatever you want, as far as gift cards and stuff, but it's all about the money. I never really waited to pull out 5, but I'm just gonna start waiting and being patient and see if I can get all the way to the $25, because that's 25,000. $10, that's 10,000. $5 is 5,000, and then 2,500, 2,500 is $2.50. And that's what I was able to just always pull out, because it's so easy to get it, or easier, I would say. But I'm gonna sit back and wait, and here soon, if not this month, next month, I'll be pulling out in Cashpirate. I know I'm talking kind of fast and stuff, kind of sleepy, but I'm gonna get up out of here, guys. Come join me, Cashpirate. Like I said, it's passive. It's residual if you put the work in. All you gotta do is keep promoting to new people, and you can literally just sleep every night. That's like I said, if you got 1,000 or more people already, following you, or ready to do whatever you want them to, join or, do as far as like, something positive. But anyway, back on task. I say you got 1,000 people ready to join this business. Once you sign into me and join and send it to them 1,000 people, if they active every day, hey, you don't even have to do anything, guys. Them 1,000 people can at least bring you in. Let's say, let's be reasonable. If you got 1,000 people consistently in this app alone bringing you points in every day, you can be making probably like I said, you could be pulling in 250 at least every day. 250 to $5 every day. $2.50 every day. So just think about that, guy. It's your boy, Mr. MMC. Let's get it. Let's go. Come join.